Custom fields help you record more details with your time entries and can be easily created in 7-Pace. Define toggle and drop-down fields and let people fill them in when adding or editing time. In this video, we will create 2 custom fields. One is a billable toggle switch, and the other allows you to categorize the types of work. Note that custom fields can only be created by a Jira admin, and that a maximum of 10 custom fields can be created. To begin, click Apps, 7-Pace Timetracker, Settings, Custom Fields. A preview of the Add Time dialog displays. Click Create Custom Field, and in our first example, select Toggle. Enter a name for the new field, Billable, and a brief description, if necessary. Then select whether or not the field defaults to on or off. Notice the Add Time dialog updates dynamically to reflect the new Billable field. Click Save Changes. Next, let's create an activity type dropdown field that captures how to categorize the time being entered. Click Create New Field and select Dropdown. Enter a name for the new field, activity type, and enter a brief description, if necessary. Next, click Add Options and enter the first option name, Design in this example. Click Add Option to create the next activity type, Requirements. Note that the color can be changed for each option, making it easy for users to distinguish between their choices. In our example, there is a third activity type, Documentation. Assume the activity types should display alphabetically. Simply drag Documentation into the second position. Click Save Changes. The 2 custom fields now display in the Add Time dialog. Note that fields below the line in the left-hand pane are not mandatory. So, for example, if we drag activity type below the line, users are not required to select an activity type when tracking time. Billable and activity type are simply examples of custom fields. You have the flexibility to track any additional information required for your business. Now, when tracking time, the custom fields display on the Add Time dialog. The custom fields also display when tracking time in the monthly and weekly pages. And custom fields can be included in the Times Explorer. Simply click Settings and then scroll down to add the custom fields to the page. Now the fields are visible and can be used in filtering. To summarize, 7-Pace custom fields help you record more details with your time entries.